Continuously solving the question number 10, 11 and 12. It is in the page number 5. Let us see the question number 10. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Let us come to the solution of the question. The weight of a one box is given 4 kg 500 gram. Convert 4 kg 500 gram into the gram by multiplying by 1000 plus 500. Answer will be 4500 gram. Exactly like that, we are converting the 800 kg into the gram by multiplying by 1000. Answer is 8 lakh gram. To find the required number of the boxes, we can divide 8 lakh by the 4500. After doing division, go in the rough. Let's check your answer. Do their division. The quotient will become 177. Therefore, 177 boxes can only be loaded in the van. Let's come forward to the next question number 11. The distance between the school and the house of the student is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Let us find out the solution of the question is. The distance between the school and the house is already given 1 kilometer 875 meter. We are converting into the meter. 1 into 1000 plus 875. The answer comes there 1875 meter. Distance traveled by the student in the both the ways. Both the ways means she start from her house and then again come back to the same position. That's why we will do here multiplying by 2. So 2 multiplied by 1875, answer will be 3750 meter. Exactly they are asking for the 6 days. So this answer should be this answer only for the 1 day, and they are asking for the 6 days. That's why that answer should be multiplying by 6 times. It will become 22,500 meter. And if we want to convert into the kilometer and meter, that number is divisible by 1000. Answer will become 22 kilometer 500 meter. Hence, the total distance covered in a 6 days is a 22 kilometer 500 meter. First of all, let us find out the travel by the distance by the two ways for the 1 day, and that would be multiplying again here 6. Now let's come forward to the last question number 12. A vessel has 4 liter and 500 ml of a curd. In how many glasses each of a 25 ml capacity can be filled? The one of the glass, the capacity of a one glass is given, and that of the glass we will fill for the 4 liters and 500 ml. So let us find out the solution of the question is quantity of a curd in a vessel, that is a 4 liter 500 ml. We are converting into the ml. 4 multiplying by 1000 plus 500, it would become 4500 ml. And the capacity of a one glass is given 25 ml. Hence, the number of the glasses required to fill that vessel. That's why 4500 ml divided by the 25 ml. Go in the rough side, do the actual division. You will get quotient is a 120. Therefore, the number of the glasses required 180 times. Means if we are filled a bigger vessel with that small quantity of a glass, So we are putting there 180 times to fill that a bigger vessel. In this all the questions you are doing the proper addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and vary your answer with my given solution. So today your homework is you are solving in your register exercise 1.2. Thank you.